Go sure fit. Yeah, yeah. Go girl. Show 'em, show 'em. Go sure fit Johnson. This is your world. Now pose for 'em. Show 'em behind the scenes. Show 'em your long hair, even when it's weave. Show 'em your makeup. Show 'em your real life. Yeah, with the flaws, those DIYs and fashion hauls. I am SureFit Johnson. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell alerts. What's up, y'all? This is your girl SureFit Johnson, and today I just wanted to do a little something different. This unit that I'm wearing right now is obviously not mine because I just told you it was a unit. I haven't touched my hair, so it could be blended better, but I got this unit from AliExpress about a year ago, and I decided I'm about to have my pinning ceremony for my teacher certification, and I kind of want to do something different other than like my regular curly hair. And so I was like, you know what, I got a wig in my closet that I haven't worn in a while, but the reason I had to stop wearing this wig is because this thing was loose. And in my review of that video, like, I said that and I remember, and it is like, it doesn't snug my head at all. It has a lot of comb, so it's not that I feel like it's gonna fall off. It even has like a little drawstring, but it's just not comfortable to know like it's loose, you know. So I really don't like that factor, and so today I'm gonna show you how to make that wig tighter by adding the band. So I'm gonna give you guys a 360 of this hair and my hair with it, so you can kind of see if you can tell like if it's loose or not. But let's just check it out. So this is the side view, and also I feel like when it's loose it makes your head look bigger, and I do not want that. So that's another reason that I want it to be tight. So let's hit the back. And the other side. So overall, like, the wig, I love it. That's not an issue. And if you want to see those, I did 2 reviews on it. If you want to see those, I would definitely check it out. I'm gonna leave the link in the bio. Oh. If you want to see those 2 videos that I did a review and I installed it in my hair, I would definitely check it out. I'm gonna leave it down in the description box, because honestly this unit right here is amazing, but that's not the point of this video. So this is the point. This right here is the point of this video, how loose my wig is. So if the wind blows, it's possible you can see that, or if I'm not paying attention and I'm trying to be fancy and I'm like, yes, and then you can see all my tracks. You can see. Okay, so this wig has 2 front clips, which is a perfect thing. It has 2 side clips on the very side, and it has a comb at the very bottom, and then it ends up with these drawstrings, so you can make it as tight or as loose as you want it, but still it's too loose and you see the flaps. So I'm going to go ahead and add the band. Okay, so first things first, you will need the elastic band. I got mine from my local beauty supply store. You won't need all of it, so hopefully you have like a bunch of wigs. So it rolls out, and you will not need all of it. You won't even need half of it. So to get the proper measurements, you want to make sure you're going from ear to ear, so the very top of your ear. So I'm going to take this one, this side, put it right by my ear, and stretch it as taut as possible. So you want pull it as hard as you can. So because you have all of this left over, you can definitely do trial and error. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut mine right here. It might not look like a lot, and it might not look like it can fit the ends of your head, but when you stretch it, it's perfect. So that's what's gonna make it be tight. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. Next thing you want to do is grab your wig and put it on. Make sure you have your leave out and sit it on your head exactly how it's gonna sit. Exactly how it's gonna sit. And my problem area is right here, right by my ear, and right here. How the wig makes a U in the very back, that's exactly how I'm going to align this and make sure it's curved inside from ear to ear. I have my needle and I have my thread. And okay, so now you don't see like the little white space and gap because this wig is tight. It's super tight. And hopefully this video was helpful to you. Let me actually take this down and then sign off so I'm not looking a hot mess. Okay guys, so now this wig is tight AF and you don't see like it hanging in the back anymore. It's all good, it's all breezy now. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the bell alert so you know when your girl is posting a video. If you literally enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you, like put a heart in the comments. Say something in the comments because my comments be dry. But anyways, you guys, until next time, peace. I am SureFit Johnson. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell alerts.